Menipisnya stok rudal pertahanan udara Amerika Serikat mulai berdampak pada strategi perang Washington melawan Iran. Di tengah situasi itu, Presiden Donald Trump dikabarkan meluapkan kekesalannya kepada Menteri Perang Pete Hegseth setelah mengetahui krisis amunisi belum juga teratasi. Laporan The Washington Post menyebut, momen itu terjadi dalam rapat kabinet di Camp David pekan lalu.
As we stated from the beginning, the Iranian defense industrial base is effectively gone, but they do have underground facilities because they're the world's...
Mengutip dua sumber yang mengetahui pembahasan tersebut, media itu melaporkan Trump meminta penjelasan karena persediaan rudal penting, termasuk rudal pencegat Patriot dan THAAD, belum juga pulih. Padahal, ia sebelumnya mengira persoalan tersebut telah selesai ditangani.
Consternation is why so many New Yorkers are perplexed, stressed out, and find this war to be incredibly unpopular because they don't understand the choices that the president's making. They don't agree with those choices. Secretary Rollins.
Krisis amunisi itu disebut menjadi salah satu alasan Amerika menahan rencana serangan besar berikutnya ke Iran. Data Center for Strategic and International Studies atau CSIS menunjukkan stok rudal Patriot dan THAAD terus menyusut sejak perang pecah. Sementara, produksi rudal pencegat baru membutuhkan waktu hingga sekitar 2 tahun. Dalam laporan yang sama, Hegseth disebut membantah dirinya menjadi penyebab persoalan tersebut. Ia justru menuding Wakil Menteri Pertahanan Stephen Feinberg tidak memberikan gambaran lengkap mengenai kondisi persediaan amunisi kepada Trump. Sebelumnya, Hegseth juga telah meminta tambahan anggaran kepada Kongres untuk mempercepat pengisian kembali stok persenjataan Amerika. Namun, Gedung Putih dan Pentagon membantah isi laporan tersebut. Juru bicara Gedung Putih, Karoline Leavitt, menegaskan Trump tetap menaruh kepercayaan penuh kepada Hegseth. Sementara, Pentagon memastikan tidak pernah terjadi teguran maupun perselisihan terkait kondisi stok amunisi militer.
You're requesting, so why are there missiles left to hit Jordan and result in the loss of life of our brave men and women?
As we stated from the beginning, the Iranian defense industrial base is effectively gone, but they do have underground facilities because they're the world's leading state sponsor of terrorism, and they've spent 47 years trying to hide their missiles under mountains, just like their nuclear capabilities, because they would like to get a nuclear weapon and wield it against us.
Of the war to believe, because it's either over or it's not over. It's within 2 weeks or it's not 2 weeks. We have no missiles or we have missiles, and that consternation is why so many New Yorkers are perplexed, stressed out, and find this war to be incredibly unpopular because they don't understand the choices